Hey guys, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Today we're going to be making one of the best award-winning pasta meat sauce ever. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with cooking the pasta according to the instructions on the box. In a separate pot, adding just enough olive oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Once the oil gets hot, we're going to add the onions, garlic, scallions, also known as green onions, and I'm going to occasionally stir until the onions become translucent. At this time, we're going to add the ground turkey or preferred meat and combine with the sauteed onions. We're going to allow the meat to cook for about 10 minutes until the meat becomes brown. Adding a combination of spices, which can be found in the description bar along with the measurements. Now that everything is done and cooked through, I'm going to add my favorite brand of pasta sauce. And before throwing away the jar, be sure to add water to get the remaining sauce out of the bottle. Combining everything once more, we're going to add diced tomatoes and a pinch of sugar to balance out the acidity only if necessary. Cover with the lid and adjust the flame to medium heat and allow to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Taking this delicious, rich, hearty, meaty sauce, I'm going to place it on top of some pasta and top it with my favorite brand of parmesan cheese. Be sure to share this award-winning recipe with your friends and family, and as always, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe, and most of all, enjoy.